Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use the highly effective Todoist app as your habit tracker. It's a great tool to help you keep track of your daily, weekly, or monthly habits. First off, we'll create a new project in Todoist dedicated to your habits. Simply click on the plus icon next to projects. Why do we do this? Well, it's important to separate your habits from your regular tasks to keep things organized and focused. Once you've created your habit tracker project, let's move on to adding your habits. Click on the plus icon in your habit tracker project. Here, you can add a habit as a task. For example, let's say you want to read every day. Now, your task is read. The reason we do this is to ensure every habit is trackable as a task. After adding the habit, it's time to set a schedule for it. Click on the schedule button next to your habit and choose the frequency. In our reading example, you might want to select every day. This helps us because it sets a reminder for the habit, ensuring you won't forget about it. Now that we've done that, let's discuss how to track your habits. Every day, when you complete your habit, simply click on the checkbox next to it. Todoist keeps a record of completed tasks, which means you can easily track your habit completion rate. This is key because tracking your progress can be a great motivation booster. Next up, we're going to take advantage of Todoist's labels and filters. You can assign labels to each habit, like morning or health. You can then use filters to view only the habits with assigned labels. This helps you better organize your habits and focus on specific areas of your life. Now let me explain why this matters. Our lives can get busy and chaotic, and it's easy to lose sight of our habits. But with Todoist's habit tracker, you can easily manage, track, and maintain your habits, all in one place. It's a simple yet effective way to bring more discipline and organization into your life. And that's it. In less than a few minutes, you've learned how to use Todoist for habit tracking. Remember, the key to successful habit tracking is consistency. Keep at it, and you'll see a positive change in no time. Thanks for tuning in.